Welcome back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now I will read the article by Liz Moyer from investing.com. Stock-headed hiker continuing last week really despite weaker economic data from China that could threaten global growth. Most investors are focused on this week's retail earnings from big companies, including Walmart and Target, which serve as proxy for the health of the American consumer. The report comes after an unexpectedly strong job report for July and unexpectedly positive inflation news. The Federal Reserve is likely to be watching the trends closely as it decides on the next step with interest rates. The minutes of the Fed July meeting will be released on Wednesday, providing investors with another window into how policymakers are thinking about the economy. Given the data they are seeing, some investors believe the recent trends could lead the Fed to get less aggressive with rate increase as it aims for a soft landing, which means cooling the economy without large job losses. This week also brings a slate of data on housing trends, another market that is cooling amid high prices and rising interest rates. Walmart earning report come out early Tuesday. Here are the links that the cold after affect markets tomorrow. Stock header hiker continuing last week really despite weaker economic data from China that could threaten global growth. Most investors are focused on this week's retail earnings from big companies, including Walmart and Target, which serve as a proxy for the health of the American consumer. The reports come after an unexpectedly strong job report for July and unexpectedly positive inflation news. The Federal Reserve is likely to be watching the trends closely as it decides on the next step with interest rates. The minutes of the Fed's July meeting will be released on Wednesday, providing investors with another window into how policymakers are thinking about the economy. Given the data they are seeing, some investors believe the recent trends could lead the Fed to get less aggressive with rate increase as it aims for a soft landing, which means cooling the economy without large job losses. This week also brings us a slate of data on housing trends, another market that is cooling amid high prices and rising interest rates. Stock-headed hiker continuing last week's rally despite weaker economic data from China that could threaten global growth. Most investors are focused on this week's retail earnings from big companies including Walmart and Target, which serve as a proxy for the health of the American consumer. The report comes after an unexpectedly strong job report from July and unexpectedly positive inflation news. The Federal Reserve is likely to be watching the trends closely as it decides on the next step with interest rates. The minutes of the Fed July meeting will be released on Wednesday, providing investors with another window into how policymakers are thinking about the economy given the data they are seeing. Some investors believe the recent trends could lead the Fed to get less aggressive with rate increase as it aims for a soft landing, which means cooling the economy without large jobs losses. Okay guys, that's all for me. Before I close, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.